Today we are making jiggly cake. You'll need 12 egg whites, 12 egg yolks, 160 grams of flour, 40 grams of cocoa powder, 80 grams of oil, 160 grams of milk, 90 grams of sugar for the whites, and 90 grams of sugar for the yolks. First of all, let's beat the whites. If the white doesn't fall down, it's ready. After that, let's beat the yolks. Add the sugar, milk and oil and mix them. Afterwards, add the flour and cocoa powder. Take a third of your whites and add them to your yolks. Mix them together. Pour your remaining mixture into the rest of your whites. Set the oven for 170 degrees Celsius or 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the dough for 35 to 40 minutes. Cut yourself a big piece after all your hard work.